Gonna keep that vibe. Proper side. Down.
You right, ladies and gents, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of myvlog.com Sunny Bear Challenge 2018. And today's letter is E for eat. And for this letter, we have to tell you about a place we like to eat. What food we enjoy. So I thought I'll take you there. And en route, I thought I'd explain why. Why do I like this wonderful little place? There's got to be a reason. I can't quite put my finger on what it would be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now obviously, we all need to eat, we all need to fill our bellies. But we're fortunate enough to have the choice of where we go and do it. Now, I'm a relative newcomer to this location. It's not that I've not been there before, I just never really discovered its joys. And it's not just its culinary delights. It's the bloody ride there. And now I'm in a job where I can have a little bit of me time when other people are busy grafting. It means I can play on these roads when there's less people on them. Funsies! So that's why I love this location. And funnel time! So where is this location? I hear you asking. I hear you pleading. It's blooming Loomies! Now I reckon every single biker cafe does shit chips! Prove me wrong, tell me where it does good chips and I'll go and try them. Or at least I'll try to. But Loomies Burger Bar, Loomies Motor Cafe, whatever they called it, it does a good burger. And what a ride. What a ride to get to this wonderful little place. And there's always bikes here, always. I've never been here when there's not been a load of bikes in the car park. Not that I've been here a million squillion times and all, but it's good to know that the bikers like the place, and so do I. Alright, let's go show you what this is all about.
Ruxton burger?
That's me. Now that's what I call a burger. Angus, cheesy chips, rabbit food, noms. I've no idea how I'm going to eat this. Used to that later.
That's why I always use the sides. Sometimes I struggle getting on the sentence. Just pull out. Sentence stand, the side stand.
I think this calls for nice and hot.
Yeah, it's a bit of a big one.
Well, that's big, not that big.
I do try Tower at my school.
It's pretty good. Pretty good.
Track Hero?
Number 53.
Squash it.
How many?
Really fat. Really fat. I don't want to let it beat me. I don't want to. Bob stock. That was bloody marvellous. Cheers. This is my Sunny Bear challenge. Sunny Bear, 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 Sunny Bear. Well, that was my Sunny Bear challenge for the letter E for eat from Loomies Motor Cafe. Sorry for my lack of enthusiasm while riding around the bike, or rather walking around it. The big roughy tufty biker was sniggering at me, he was laughing at me, he mocked me, he made me feel silly. And I'll probably never see him again in my life. And just because I think it's a thing now, have a bit of tunnel time. Tunnel time! Anyhow, Zeus, if you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a little thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a little thumbs down. Whatever you do, please drop in a comment. Let me know where to get good chips. Saying that, the chips in my Thruxton burger were absolutely blooming awesome. They work, they really work when they're in a burger. They just don't work so well on the side of a plate. So yeah, subscribe, I'm awesome. Anyways, you ride safe, take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now. Laters.
Keep that bar from the side down. You know, you gotta keep that bar rubber side down.